What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to pin multiple locations on Google Maps. Let's get started with this tutorial. The first thing we need to do is access Google Maps. Go to google.com/maps. Next, we need to create a map. At the top left of your screen, click on the three-bar icon and then access the option that says saved. Now at the top right of your screen, click on Maps and open My Maps. From here, create a new map by clicking on Create New Map. Click on Create at the top left, and then start creating your map. Scroll down to where you want to create your map, and at the top left, click on the Add Marker button. Choose the location where you want to add a point, name the point, add a description, and click on Save. Repeat this process for each location you want to add. You can see the points you've added on the left side. Once you're done, you're ready to share the map. Click on the Share button at the top left. Add a map title. For example, Sample Map, and click OK. Enable the option that says anyone with this link can view, and click on the Copy button. Now you can share this link with your friends, family, or anyone you want to share it with. And there you go. That's how you can pin multiple locations in Google Maps and also how you can share it with others. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.